Hi, here's the next part of the Canon animation tutorial for Blender 2.8, and in this one I will create the open and close animation. In the previous part I rigged the model, and now we can go to pose mode, select this small opener bone, then press the R key and Y twice, and then we can rotate the bone to open and close the Canon. Okay, so let's open a new window, and in this I select the dope sheet. And then I switch to the action editor because we are going to create an action. I press this new button to create a new action and I name this OpenClose. Yes, I will create one animation for open and close because basically we just need an open animation. To use it as a close animation, you just play it backwards in the engine. Okay, the first step is to press the I key and add the first keyframe at the first frame where the bone isn't rotated at all. Then I enable automatic keyframe insertion, go to frame number, let's say 20. Then I press the R key and Y 2 times and set the end rotation of the opener bone. You see that the keyframes for the rotation are added at frame number 20 because I enabled auto keyframe insertion. And here's a small bug in Blender 2.8 when I move the slider now. The animation isn't displayed, but it's just an update bug. But when you reselect the action OpenClose, the preview works again without any problem. Okay, this was the open and close animation. I know this was a very short video, but I want to split it up into several parts. In the next one we will create the shoot animation for the Canon, and in the last one I will show you how to import it into Unity and I will add it to my lowpoly game kit. So thanks for watching, I hope you like it, and if you do then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when the next part is online. Consider being my patron, this would be great, and I'll see you in the next one.